Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install this hood protector. This is an accessory that I got from Ford. This is for Ford Lightning, which is basically the same as a Ford F-150. This hood protector is going to deflect rocks, stones and things like that away from the actual hood, so it doesn't damage my my vehicle. And it's just a piece of plastic, transparent, black color, that's just going to be glued on or attached using double-sided tape on the hood itself. So let's get going. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is read the instruction. So this red label here holds this Ziploc bag which contains these instructions paper, and it also have alcohol pads to clean the areas that we are going to put the double stick tape on. Alright, so this product is made by Lund, L-U-N-D. And actually this is just the warranty, so that doesn't do much good. Let's put that aside. Alright, so this is the alcohol pad, and let's see what the other stuff we have here. Surface prep. So I wonder what is the difference between this and that. So we should be wearing gloves because it contains some pretty strong chemicals here, and yeah, it doesn't have any other information. Okay, alright, so I missed it the first time there, but there's actually a QR code here that you can scan using your phone, and once you scan it, it will take you to the instruction website on the internet. Okay, I'm going to position the cover on my hood, and I am going to put a masking tape on it so that I know exactly where the top and the bottoms are. That way it will be easy for me to know where to clean and where not to clean, or where to wipe the alcohol and things like that. So I'm using a Scotch masking tape for the painter's tape. Put one right there, and as you can see, there is a 1/4 inch gap there, and there is no gap at all here, so I'm gonna need to adjust that center so that it will be looking better. So put about probably 1/16, 1/8. Yeah, I'll put about 1/8 of a gap right there. And let's tape this down, or try to. Okay, let's come over here, and I do not have 1/8. Yep, it does. Okay, that should be about right. Okay, so let's hold that, tape it down. Okay, so feeling the edge here just to make sure everything feels correct. Yeah, everything feels good and it's positioned pretty good. Alright, so next I'm going to do a mark where these I guess the borders of the plastic, so that I know approximately where to clean and where we don't have to clean. or put the alcohol and the surface prep. All right, so just marking a few spots here, marking where it turns. And one more after this to mark where it turns right here. Okay, so next I can take this one off. Just put it right here for now. And we are going to apply the alcohol pad first. Okay, so I got the alcohol pad in my hand, and it's a pretty small piece of cloth here, and so just there's only two, so I'm applying one on this side, on the right side. Try to use the Ford logo as the symbol. Actually, there's nothing in the middle, so you know, I should probably just clean the edges, right? So let's flip this over. Let's just clean the about a 1-inch area at the top and the bottom, but I don't really need to clean the middle part. Okay, so that's that. Let's get the other side going. Okay, let's flip this over. Okay, there you go. All right, so we're gonna let the alcohol dry for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to apply the surface prep liquid. Okay, so it has been more than 5 minutes, and we are going to now do the surface prep. Remember to wear gloves on this one because the chemical is quite harmful, and make sure just to go ahead and throw it away right away. All right, okay, so we're going to apply this again just to the edge. Ooh, I can see a color difference. I'm pretty sure this is doing something not too good to the paint surface itself, but it's necessary for us to have that adhesion so that the double stick tape that we are putting on is going to stay. Okay, so I'm going to flip this over. See, those masking tape really helps give me a guide where things should be. Okay, I'm kind of touching the plastic a little bit, so I'm going to go back after I'm done with this to apply the use the microfiber to wipe down the part that I think I have accidentally put surface prep on. Okay, to make sure that I'm not damaging any other. All right, so let's wait another 5 minutes and then we're going to put on the double stick tape. All right, so now we're just going to peel off our tapes slowly. You wouldn't want to break this, because if you do, it's going to be really hard to fish that out. So just keep a steady pressure and peel that out. Okay, don't press it down, just leave it hanging like that for now. Okay, and then the bottom portion right here. Again, don't put too much pressure, just gradually steady pull. There you go. And the last one, wait, actually I got one more right there. Okay, and then the last one right here. There you go. All right, now all we have to do is push it down in position. Okay, so we're ready to put on the actual plastic protector. And so once this is pressed down, it's going to be really hard to remove. They're very strong double stick tape. So you got to have a certain strategy how to do this. Mine is pretty simple. I'm going to try to position it in the middle. And as you can see, I've already pre-peeled the back of the double stick tape a little bit. And they're going to be sticking out or upwards down, so where I can grab it. And so once I get it positioned, I'm going to peel all of them and get them positioned where I want it to be. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to concentrate first in the middle. And I know the middle is not going to be perfect, because I mean, I'm gonna try my best here to see on both sides. Okay, so I think that's where I want to be, right there on the left. And I am going to try to press it down a little bit right there in the middle. And I'm going to the right. And yep, that position is pretty good over there. I'm going to try to press that down. Pull this, press this part down where I have the tape. Oh no, I got the tape right here actually. Got the tape one right here. And let's see if we can bring this down a little bit, because it's not really exactly where I want it to be. Okay. All right, it's all overall pretty good. And now we're going to peel off the rest of the tape. I'm starting from this corner first. Okay. Lining up the bottom. Make sure I like where that's going to be. And I'm pressing it down. Okay. And the top part Okay, these double stick tape is really very strong, so I don't think this is gonna go anywhere anytime soon. All right, so I'm just pressing everything down. All right, that's it, folks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you don't mind doing me a favor, trying to grow my channel. If you could give this video a thumbs up if this was helpful for you, and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up so other people can discover it. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.